Placed steadily on a flat table. Do not cover the air vents to prevent high temperatures. Power on with the short B, the display panel lights up. Default menu for the first time at the power on. Press the basket release button, pull the basket upwards. Crisper plate. Place the crisper plate in the basket. Push the basket into the fryer. Open the Chefree app and refer to the corresponding recipe for cooking. Salad air fry. On. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and the time to 30 minutes. Press the start button. Temperature and timer are displayed alternately at 5 intervals. Turn on the furnace light. Watch the cooking through the viewable window. After the cooking process is complete, the machine will emit 3 consecutive beep sounds as a notification. Pull out the basket. Plate the French fries. Add chicken wings. Push the basket into the fryer. Find the best recipe by device AFW01 on the Chefree app. Select the roast mode. Set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and the time to 18 minutes. Press the start button. Cooking completed. Pull out the basket. Take out the delicious grilled chicken wings and put it on the plate. Pull out the basket. Push the basket into the fryer after adding toasts. Keep the default temperature setting. The default temperature is 175 C. Set the time to 3 to 5 minutes. Press the start button. Pull out the basket. Take out the toast and plate it. The basket can be cleaned with a rag and detergent and water. Baking tray can be cleaned with a rag and detergent and water. All accessories made of non-stick material, a dishwasher. Safe. AFW01, a good helper in your kitchen.